What if I told you that organizing your closet could be both fun and easy? Imagine transforming your cluttered space into a neat and tidy haven where every pair of shoes has its own place. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, today we're going to make that dream a reality with a simple and enjoyable DIY project. Get ready to build a DIY shoe rack. This project is perfect for anyone looking to add a personal touch to their home organization. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a complete beginner, this guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you end up with a beautiful and functional shoe rack. First, measure your closet space to determine the size of your shoe rack. Accurate measurements are crucial to ensure your shoe rack fits perfectly in your designated space. Take your time with this step and double-check your measurements to avoid any mistakes later on. Next, gather your materials: wood planks, screws, a saw, and some sandpaper. You can find these items at your local hardware store. When selecting your wood, consider the type and quality. Pine is a great option for beginners due to its ease of use and affordability, but feel free to choose a wood that matches your style and budget. Don't worry, you don't need to be a pro to use these tools. With a little patience and practice, you'll be cutting and assembling like a pro in no time. Safety is key, so make sure to wear protective gear like gloves and safety glasses. Now cut your wood to size. Measure and mark your wood before cutting to ensure precision. You'll need 4 long pieces for the frame and several shorter ones for the shelves. If you're unsure about your cutting skills, practice on some scrap wood first. You'll need 4 long pieces for the frame and several shorter ones for the shelves. Lay out all your pieces on your workbench to make sure you have everything you need before you start assembling. Smooth out any rough edges with sandpaper. This step is important for both the appearance and safety of your shoe rack. Sanding will give your wood a smooth finish, making it look more professional and preventing any splinters. Now it's time to assemble the frame. Start by screwing the long pieces together to form the basic structure. Make sure your screws are evenly spaced and secure. Once the frame is complete, you can add your shelves. Position them at equal intervals to ensure a balanced look. Make sure everything is sturdy and level. Use a level tool to check that your frame and shelves are perfectly horizontal. This will not only make your shoe rack look better, but also ensure it functions properly. For a polished look, you can paint or stain your shoe rack. Choose a color or finish that complements your existing decor. Painting or staining not only enhances the appearance of your shoe rack, but also protects the wood from moisture and wear. This not only makes it stylish, but also protects the wood. Allow the paint or stain to dry completely before using your shoe rack. Depending on the type of finish you choose, this could take several hours or even overnight. And there you have it. A custom shoe rack that's both functional and fabulous. You've not only created a practical storage solution, but also added a touch of personal craftsmanship to your home. Take a moment to admire your work and enjoy the satisfaction of a job well done. Subscribe for more easy home improvement ideas. If you enjoyed this project, be sure to check out our other DIY tutorials. From simple home decor to more advanced woodworking projects, we've got something for everyone. Happy building! Remember, the key to a well-organized closet is consistency. Keep your shoes neatly arranged on your new rack, and you'll always have a tidy space. Enjoy your new DIY shoe rack and the sense of accomplishment that comes with it.